Hey Aditi, you inquired about square watches with Roman numerals. These watches offer a unique blend of classic and contemporary style with their geometric shape paired with timeless Roman markers, creating a refined look that stands out while remaining versatile for almost any occasion. Here are our top 3 recommendations. First up is the Cerruti 1881 Quartz Analog Watch. It features a classic off-white dial housed in a stainless steel square case and a golden stainless steel strap for a sophisticated look. The quartz movement ensures precise timekeeping, and the mineral glass offers clear visibility with durability. Next is the Herbelin Luna Watch. Crafted with a brushed guilloche finish, the dial shines under durable sapphire glass, ensuring long-lasting clarity. The quartz movement keeps precise time with a simple two-hand design, while the stainless steel bracelet and case both provide style and functionality with 50 meters of water resistance as well. Lastly is the Frederic Constant Carré Ladies Watch. This classic white dial is beautifully accented with a decorative Clou de Paris motif and a traditional Roman numeral hour marker. Powered by reliable quartz movement, it boasts a battery life of up to 72 months. The strap is crafted from burgundy leather with a crocodile pattern. Comment below what you want us to cover next.